Introduction. Do you like the countryside or do you like cities? In the countryside, there are trees and fields. In cities, there are buildings, streets, and lots of people. Do you live in a city? What can you see in a city? What can you do in a city? What is a city? It's 7 o'clock in the morning. People are going to work. It's a new day in the city. What is a city? A city is streets and buildings. A city is cars, buses, and taxis. A city is people. Lots of people. In some very big cities, there are more than 15 million people. Now it's 11 o'clock. There are lots of people in the streets. People are going shopping. People are taking buses and taxis. Some of the people are tourists. Every day, new people come to the city. Buildings. In a city, you can see lots of buildings. There are museums, schools, and stores. In some cities, there are very tall buildings. Sometimes, you can go to the top and look at the city. The streets are for everyone. You can walk with your family or friends. You can look in store windows. You can watch people, cars, and buses. A mall is a street with no cars. It's in a building, and you can find stores and restaurants there. There's a big, old mall in Milan in Italy. Tourists go to this mall, and they take photos. Water. Many big cities are by an ocean. They have a harbor for ships. Ships bring materials for new buildings. Ships bring tourists, too. There's a big harbor in Sydney in Australia. There are nice apartments and restaurants by the harbor. Sydney is a big city, but it has lots of parks and trees. Ships can come to a city by river, too. Many cities are on big rivers. In these cities, you can find great bridges. There are bridges for people, cars, and trains. Pittsburgh is a city in the USA. It has more than 400 bridges. Tourists. It's fun to be a tourist in a city. There are lots of things to do. You can go to a park, a museum, or a zoo. You can ride on a bus and listen to a guide. It's good to walk around a city, too. You can take photos of the streets and buildings. In some cities, there are lakes. You can swim there and have fun. In Udaipur, in India, there's a big lake. You can ride in a boat on the lake. In Hanoi, in Vietnam, you can ride in a rickshaw and see the city. Homes. In cities, many homes are small. Some people live in houses, but many people live in apartments. These apartments are in Berlin, in Germany. They are nice apartments. Every apartment has a balcony. There's a playground for children, too. These houses are in San Francisco in the USA. They have stairs and a balcony. There are trees and flowers in the street. These houses are 100 years old. Behind the houses, there are big new offices. San Francisco is an old city, but it has lots of new buildings. Work. In the morning, people come to cities and go to work. Lots of people work in offices. They use telephones and computers, but they don't meet many people at work. Sales clerks meet lots of people at work. Sales clerks work in stores. They help us when we want to buy things. Police officers meet lots of people too. They help people in the city. They work in the day and at night. There are doctors and nurses, teachers and students, bus drivers and taxi drivers. Thousands of people work together in a city. Transportation. It's great to walk in a city, but you can't walk everywhere. Many people in cities use transportation. Lots of people come to cities by car, so there are traffic jams. Cars make pollution. Cars are not a good type of transportation in big cities. Trams are a good type of transportation. They run on tracks and they don't make pollution. Lots of cities have underground trains. Underground trains are fast. Thousands of people use them every day. Some underground stations are very deep. One station in Kiev, in Ukraine, is 105 meters under the ground. Fun. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. People are having fun in the park. They are riding in boats on the lake or talking to friends. At 7 o'clock in the evening, many people are at the theater or watching a movie. Maybe they are with their friends in a restaurant. In a city, there are lots of things to do in the evening. It's 12 o'clock at night. Some people are in cafes and restaurants. Some people are working. Taxi drivers and police officers work at night. Many people are at home. This is the end of our day in the city.